What is ZeroOS? ZeroOS is a new operating system that has been designed with in mind the fact that people do not have to look after it. Because we want that ZeroOS making 3 nodes everywhere. The current internet is only in a number of places where they have these large data centers and where they have enough capital and electricity to run it over there. But that's not enough. That's not enough to service the whole world. And we would like to actually bring these 3 nodes, again, powered by ZeroOS, to all places in the world where there is electricity and connectivity. And then some of the magic and some of the actual innovation that sits within ZeroOS is that it has a number of primitives, and primitives is another word for simple tasks that it can do. It can't do everything. It can do simple tasks. Start a virtual machine, stop a virtual machine, enlist to an existing network, create a new network. All of those things which are basic building blocks of IT architectures is what ZeroOS can do. And it does so without human interaction. It reads it in a ledger, and a ledger is just another word for a notebook, a digital notebook, where it is stated what actual deployments it needs to be doing. And there's a lot of more technology that sits around that to make it work. But that's the basics of it. An OS which is made to launch a limited number of primitives, a limited number of things that it can do without humans touching it. It gets the information what to do from a ledger, from a notebook, and in this case, a blockchain. And that is it.